This is Mark and Wendy, brokers, Remax Escarpment.
We're here today at our newest condo listing at 165 Bold Street in the beautiful Durand neighborhood of Hamilton.
This main floor unit features 2 beds, 2 baths, this parking space right over here. Let's go inside and take a closer look at what this home has to offer.
We're going to finish the tour of 165 Bold Street on this beautiful rooftop patio.
If you'd like more information on this condo and would like to book a viewing, please call us. We're Mark and Wendy. We can be reached at 905-512-1846.